In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your own route in Strava app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the route planning tools inside the app and how to get to the screen where you can map out your perfect run, ride, or walk. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Once you're in, give the interface a second to load your feed and location. This ensures the map and route options populate correctly and everything is synced. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the record button. It's the hub for tracking activities, and it's also where Strava keeps quick access to routes. When you open the record screen, you'll typically see a live map preview, GPS indicators, and basic activity controls. Even though you're not starting an activity yet, this is the right place to access planning tools. From the record screen, tap Add Route. This brings up Strava's route options connected to your current location or previously used areas. If you're not seeing the option right away, give the map a moment to find your position. The Add Route area is designed to help you pull in a route before recording, so you can preview distance and general direction with confidence. Now, tap Create Route. This takes you into Strava's route builder experience. Here, you'll land on a map-focused view designed for planning. The idea is to help you sketch out a route that aligns with your distance goals, terrain preferences, or training plan. Even if you're exploring a new neighborhood or traveling, this view is helpful for understanding nearby roads, paths, and how your route might flow once you head out. Take a moment to orient yourself on the map and think through your intended path, elevation changes you might expect, and the type of activity you're planning. It's important to note that the Create Route feature is part of Strava's subscription plan. If you don't have an active subscription, you may see prompts explaining the benefits and options to upgrade. That's normal, and it simply means full route creation tools are reserved for subscribers. If you already subscribe, you should be able to access the route builder directly from this screen. To recap, open the Strava app, tap the record button at the bottom, choose Add Route, and then select Create Route. Following those taps takes you to the dedicated route builder where you can plan with more intention before you ever press start on your activity. This quick flow keeps planning simple and helps you head out with a clear plan in mind.